Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Uber app background check issues. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly fix any background issues or background check issues with the Uber app or your Uber account here, well, there are a few things that you may want to understand. Now, usually there would be some problems with background checks on your Uber account if there are some mistakes with your application or some mismatch here or some complications when the application is being processed. Now, typically, in order for you to make or to appeal or to dispute your background check here, you need to reach out to a third party company. Now, the thing with Uber here is they don't directly handle background checks themselves. They hire a third party company to do the checks for them. So in this case, how do you exactly do it? Now, the best thing that you may want to do here is you want to check Uber's official website or let's just say article for it, because sometimes it may get updated. So that's why checking their article is the best thing that you could do right now. So in this case, you want to go and type in the following: disputing background check Uber, and just access the first article that you're seeing in here, as long as it says disputing a background check report. Now, in their article, there are some information here. So first things first is you could make a dispute here by accessing the checker portal as of right now. So in this case, the link will be provided in your email. And also you could try checking or using the link here, checker the error reporting page here. You could go and click on it. And from then, it will redirect you to the checker candidate portal. Now, obviously, you will need to provide the following details: so your phone number, your email, your social security number, your date of birth here. And once you click on the get status here, it should basically show you the current status, and it will give you the option to dispute the current check or the current background check issues they currently are having in here. And also, take in mind that there are some higher right guidelines in here, so make sure that you understand before disputing any problem with your account here. So just make sure that your account is actually, or the information you provide are actually all correct. And also, the thing with higher rates here, they could actually help you with disputing your background check problem or issues here if there are some incorrect or missing details from your application here. So in this case, you could either fill up a form via their website in here in this article here, or you can basically call the following number here to proceed via phone number. So in this case, what are other things that you may want to do here? Well, again, like what I said before, Uber mostly handles their background checks through a third party company, so you won't be able to do much inside Uber. So you need to either reach out to the link or access the link checker would actually provide you. And also, if your report is actually a year old here, you may also need to reach out to checker's support team. So that's another case. But if it's pretty new, you could basically do it or submit a form inside that link here. So every link is personalized. So yeah. So in this case, just in case if you're still really confused what you need to do, I would highly recommend you to contact support here and ask them what you could actually do and what you need to, what numbers you could contact or email addresses you can reach out to in order for you to make your disputes. But that's about it. So from this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.